Welcome to Penelope's pencil case. Today we will be learning to draw a unicorn cupcake. The first step is to draw a line on the bottom. Then you draw some diagonal lines, like slightly a diagonal line starting from the top. And then on the other side too. And get the same size too. And then you draw some rectangles to match. Sometimes you get it mixed up and you make it too long, so the cupcake won't be good, so you have to erase it.
That's why we always start with a lead pencil rather than the marker, isn't it? Right?
Yes. Then you do like a semicircle. And then you draw a horn at the top with some slightly diagonal U shapes. Like
Move your
that.
hand away a little bit so they can see that.
Like that. Then you do an eye, a circle right here, and then you do a little circle there, and then there. And then you do a mouth, and then some freckles. And then you can do, if you like, you can do some pigtails or some hair, like that. And then you do that. And then you can do some hair, some like lines to follow it, to make it more even prettier. Or if you like, you can actually do 2 circles.
And the eyes.
And then you get your marker and you can colour inside.
And then you trace around all of the pencil lines.
Yes. And you can even do some little eyelashes, if you like. Can you?
Please.
Okay, and now I'm going to colour it in. it now.